Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer travel expenses into Concur for tax filing, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Concur dashboard and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the expense section on the main menu. Select the option to create a new expense report. Enter the title of your expense report, ensuring it reflects the trip or purpose. Choose the dates corresponding to your travel period. Add any relevant description to clarify the purpose of the report. Click on the button to add a new expense. Select the type of expense from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount spent for each category. Attach any relevant receipts by clicking on the Attach Receipt option. Make sure that you upload clear images or PDF files of your expense receipts. If necessary, add notes for each expense line to provide further details. Review all entries to ensure accuracy before submitting the report. Check for any prompts or errors that may require correction. Once you confirm all information is correct, click the Submit button. Wait for approval from your manager or designated finance officer. Track the status of your expense report through the dashboard. After approval, download the report for your tax filing. Save the document in a secure location for easy access. Finally, ensure you maintain copies of receipts and documentation for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.